Time for Puffles and Hugsley's sound of the day. Woof!
Hi everyone and welcome to Puffles and Hugsley's sound of the day. Yay! Now yesterday we learned about one of the A sounds, but then Puffles learned that there were more A sounds. We've got A, snail in the rain, A, may I play, and A, make a cake. That was Puffles' favourite A sound, wasn't it?
Yes, I love cake.
So we're going to look at all three of the A sounds today and see where they are in our words. Okay, so the first thing I want you to do is get a piece of paper and write the three A sounds at the top like this. Now, write as many A words under the correct digraph as you can. Let's see how many we can think of, Puffles.
Oh yeah.
Great job! How many did you come up with? We've got 6 words for each A sound. Have a look, see if you've got any the same as us. What do you notice about where the A sounds come in these words? What about the AI digraph, snail in the rain? Where does that come in the words?
In the middle.
That's right, Puffles, in the middle of the word. So if you've got a word and you're not sure which A digraph to use, but you know that the A sound is in the middle of the word, which digraph will you use?
Snail in the rain.
That's it, Puffles, snail in the rain. What about the AY, may I play digraph? Where does that come in the word?
At the end.
That's right. The Y always likes to be at the end, usually in a word. So you know that if you've got a word and it has an A sound but it comes at the end, it's probably the AY digraph. Sometimes English breaks the rules a little bit, so it doesn't always work, but usually. Now our split digraph here, what's that line in the middle when we write a split digraph? Woof, woof, woof. That's right, Hugsley. It means that there's a letter that goes in that gap. So here our letter is K for make, cake and snake. But here, word I can't read upside down. Oh, bake, also a K. And then 8, what's our letter that goes in the gap there?
The letter T.
That's right. That's the word that goes in the gap this time, and for date as well. And this A sound is, again, you would hear it in the middle of the word, but there is a letter in between the A and the E, the A and the E. So that was our sound of the day, but we did one sound, but 3 different digraphs, 3 different graphemes, 3 different ways to spell it. I hope that was helpful, and I hope you have a lovely day. Say bye, boys.
Woof, bye. And that was Puffles and Hugsley's sound of the day. Woof.